Hey guys, welcome back, and oh my gosh, frozen Coke, my absolute dream. I can't believe it.
Yes.
We got our Coke here, so we're gonna put some Coke inside. So how does this work?
Pushing it down. Slowly, slowly. Gentle. Wow.
That's it.
Sure?
I think so.
Huh?
Yeah, I think that's it. Otherwise it's gonna overflow. Let's put cap on.
And try. Already. Test time. What is it like?
It is exactly like Coke. This is
So there's
freaking good.
frozen Coca-Cola.
I've got frozen Fanta right here, which is cool. Oh, I might do like a video on getting one of these to try them. It looks really good. There's like strawberry and then there's like another flavor.
Is that a lemonade?
I think so. It looks lemon. Like
Then we have a Tango Blast.
Tango Ice Blast. It's got strawberry and kiwi. I'm definitely gonna get that next time. And bubble gum, which is really good. And this Tango Ice Blast, which is cherry and blue raspberry.
So what's the score?
A 10 out of 10. Maybe even 100 out of 10. Yes. Bye guys.
Bye.